Seeing the partner did not connect to router error in TeamViewer can be pretty confusing, especially when everything seemed to be working before, but don't worry, this usually happens because of a simple network or software issue. So in this quick guide, I'll show you several easy fixes that can help you solve it fast. First, make sure both devices actually have a working internet connection. Yeah, this error often appears when the remote computer temporarily loses access to the network. Open a browser on both devices and try loading any website just to confirm the connection is active. Next, restart TeamViewer on both computers. Temporary session errors or background service glitches can stop the connection from initializing properly. Just close the app completely, reopen it, and then try connecting again. If the issue continues, try restarting your router. Sometimes the router blocks or delays certain outgoing connections, which can interrupt TeamViewer's handshake process. Unplug the router, wait about 30 seconds, then plug it back in and reconnect. Another quick fix is updating TeamViewer to the latest version. Outdated versions can cause compatibility issues between devices or TeamViewer servers. So open the Help menu and check for updates. If you're still getting the error, your firewall or antivirus might be blocking the connection. Make sure TeamViewer is allowed through your firewall so it can communicate with the network properly. One more thing you can try is restarting the TeamViewer service in Windows. This resets the background process that manages remote connections and often clears connection errors. And that's pretty much it. One of these fixes usually resolves the partner did not connect to router error in just a few minutes. If this helped you out, feel free to like the video and check out the channel for more quick tech fixes.